Today we're going to the Grand Canyon, guys. It is notoriously known for being a very warm and desolate place. So if you look outside, you can see how warm it is right now in Arizona. Oh.
You want to see this in Phoenix?
It's snowing. It's October.
I think we should stay in and watch a film.
So we're going to the Grand Canyon in the snow. Snowy.
Because it's more hail and ice.
Where's Josh? Oh, follow me, camera.
Ugh.
I hate this kiss. I hate this car so much, yeah? You ready?
Yeah. That's, oh my god, you left a mark.
What is not his child?
Yeah.
This whole time he thought it was his. All these years, like 7 years or something. Long story short, it ends up with him killing the granddad. I forgot how I got to that. But then the child walks in, all confused, and then she walks out to try and get help in the snow, and she dies.
She died?
Yeah, so everyone dies.
How'd she die?
Because the child saw her granddad like bleeding out, but then she had the block, like the other episodes, she couldn't actually see the blood, she was just confused. So she went out to try and find someone. She was just confused, and because it was snowy and stuff, she got lost in the snow and died.
True story, guys.
But then the guy, I think he ended up... Oh, yeah, the whole episode. You don't even realise this until the end, because the whole episode is this guy in a room with this other guy. He doesn't know how he got there, but he doesn't realise that until later on. Because turns out, skip forward again, because he killed the granddad. For the police to get that information out of him, they put him in like a simulation.
Yeah.
In the room with the detective that was he thought was his like friend sort of, because he didn't really know what's going on until he was in the simulation, and that's how he got the story that I just told you to the detective. When he wasn't even a detective, it was literally he was also an inmate, but he was trying to get a reduced sentence, and he was good at manipulating people. So they got him to go in there in their little like simulation to talk to him.
And that it's fun Grand Canyon car trip stories with Josh. That looks like a fire engine.
Sure does.
We got a problem here, guys.
Over the hills and far away, a million miles from LA, just anywhere away with you. I know we've got to get away, someplace where no one knows our name. We'll find the start of something new. Just take me anywhere, take me anywhere, anywhere away with you.
We have made it to the Grand Canyon toll booth.
I'm just gonna say day pass. I know she's gonna say that doesn't exist, and you should say it anyway.
You made it. Welcome to the official canyon of the Grand. We made it.
It's one of the 7 wonders of the world.
Do you know what number 6 is?
Your mum.
Yeah, your mum.
Why is it so easy to fall off?
Hi, Alice. I feel like I'm gonna start accidentally calling her Alice, like deliberately.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, it's kind of easy to fall. Oh my god, those are kind of big.
That's mental.
It doesn't look real.
All it takes is one mentally deranged person to push you off.
Yeah, like you. Oh my god, you could actually just die.
Really?
Oh, but I ain't getting any closer.
It looks like I'm looking at like a desktop wallpaper because it's so big, like it's like taking up my whole field of view.
But how did this get here?
It was made.
What, by man?
No, this used to be mountains. The mountains collapsed in on themselves, and then water would run down. That's what creates these creeks, and you can still see the water down there.
That is a crazy science lesson.
This is basic science. These are the bases of mountains.
Oh, it looks like those biomes in Minecraft when like you put the weird settings on.
Burn. Gets to ruin it, didn't
You enjoying the Grand Canyon?
it? I was for about 5 seconds and now I'm freezing.
Hi, so we've just been to the Grand Canyon Village. Oh no, we haven't, sorry, we went to the Grand Canyon Hole. It's like, it's a ravine.
Yeah.
Like Minecraft. Watch out.
I don't need
Watch
to watch.
out.
Yeah, I do.
You do need to, let's go down the path.
They normally have like beeps.
Do they?
Beeps.
I don't know what cars you see. It beeps out loud for everyone else.
Beeps to me.
Yeah, it beeps to you.
Look at that car. That one's got no fenders.
Fender bender.
Yeah, that's what they call signposts.
You're a fender bender.
I'm like, what?
What? Maybe I'm crazy, but I feel like 55, 60 is fine.
Yeah.
Like you can see far enough to stop and stuff.
Oh no, he's got hazards on. That's never good. He's got his hazards on. What must be ahead? Absolutely hate to be this guy.
That's such a quiet horn.
Yeah, I mean we are in a bloody blizzard right now. I feel like it'd be a bit louder. I don't know when I lock the horn, not the car, it's a bit noisy.
17 miles to go.
Yay!
Still snowing. I love the snow.
Oh, it's the I-40.
What does that mean?
Interstate number 40.
What, you can't take a flag curtain?
Yeah, because of the whole like...
Out from Walmart, we got some pasta sauce, we got a American flag, we got a Josh and another here, and she got a little pony.
It's a fucking goat.
It's a goat. Sorry, a goat.
Sorry, it's Lewis
Wait, have I got a can
Hamilton.
opener? Bottle opener? Yeah, it was with the...
You can do it other
It was
ways
with
if
the...
not.
With the what?
I can show you how to do it if not. I'm saying you can open it other ways if not.
Okay, thank you.
What you do is you slam it on the counter.
Yeah, just smash it.
No, you do it.
No, I don't know what you mean, I've seen it.
Do it. No, why?
Burn nasty.
Hamburger. What are you doing? Not constantly.
I'm looking for the key. I don't want to drag everything else in my pocket.
Where's she going?
That's my fault.
That's not, she owns the place.
Alright. What do you think she is?
Right, welcome to Harkin Cinema again, guys. What's your thoughts, guys, on Harkin Cinema?
Very cool, I really like it.
Yay! Let's open the doors to freedom. Go on, Josh. I'll follow you in. I want to grab a drink, guys. If that's okay with you. Well, Harkin Cinema.